Let us take up one more example of atmospheric refraction, that is with respect to the twinkling of the stars and the apparent position of the stars and why planets do not twinkle. We must remember that at night the land becomes cool and so the air above it is also cooler. Cool air has more refractive index because it is denser. But comparatively, the air at higher altitudes continues to remain warmer and so it is rarer with lesser refractive index. So light rays at night will travel from rarer to denser medium, and that is the refractive index will go on increasing as we move from top to bottom. Let us first understand the apparent position of the stars. So stars are considered to be self-luminous. They have their own light and they can be seen at night in absence of sunlight. They are point sources because they are very far away from us. So at night when the starlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, it undergoes refraction. We know that at night the light rays will travel from rarer to the denser medium and hence it will move towards the normal, or the rays of light will bend towards the normal. But this is the observer here. He is seeing the starlight, but he is seeing this curved path that is taken up by the starlight. But when you extend the ray backwards, you find that as if the light ray is coming from this point. So this is what is the position of the star that is seen by the observer, that is slightly higher than its actual position. This is the actual position. This is the apparent position of the star which the observer sees. Then why do stars twinkle? So once the starlight enters the Earth's atmosphere, as we said, it undergoes repeated refraction. But the atmospheric conditions do not remain same always. There is some motion in the atmospheric air. There are changes in temperature. And thirdly, there is change in the density of the air also. So due to these three factors, the starlight undergoes refraction several times. Sometimes the starlight comes across a rarer medium or rarer layer of air and there is less refraction. So less light is refracted. But very soon it comes across a layer of air which is denser and it refracts more light. So the star appears to be brighter. So when the light ray comes across rarer layer, it refracts lesser light, and when it comes across denser layer of air, it refracts more light. Due to this alternate more and less light being refracted, the stars appear to be twinkling. Lastly, stars twinkle but planets do not twinkle. Planets are closer to us as compared to stars. Stars are very far away. Secondly, stars are point sources, but planets are considered to be a collection of several points. So, if from one point more light is refracted, at the same time from another point less light gets refracted. So the 2 points nullify their effect and as a result we find that the planets do not twinkle. So this is the reason why we find that the stars twinkle whereas the planets do not twinkle. So we will stop here and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.